Laimayum Khulna's bravery story goes viral on Impact TV's Facebook page www.facebook.com/Impact TV Manipur. Till now, the story has been shared 38 times with over 450 likes. It has reached to over 8,000 people. On 27th of June, Laimayum Khulna was returning from Kailash Hospital, Karkarduma, on her two-wheeler when a man sitting on backside of a bike snatched her gold chain. Responding quickly, Laimayum Khulna chased the bikers on her two-wheeler and with the help of locals, she nabbed the chain snatchers. Laimayum Khulna lives in Delhi and she is a resident of Nagamapal, Laimayum Ladakh. Presently, she is working in Delhi as a choreographer and president of Manipur Young Mind Association. In an exclusive interview with Impact News, this is what an emotional Khulna had to say. Ichi Khulna's bravery has inspired millions of people in India. Hope this incident will infuse bravery among the people in India. With camera person Subhas Chungham, this is Tensubam Ranita, Impact News.